Wondering if your Galaxy Watch 6 is receiving notification properly? There's a quick way to test it right from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra without needing to wait for a message to arrive. Here's how to do it. Head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostics. Scroll down the screen. From the list, tap Notification. Put your watch and then tap Start button. Now see on the notification panel. If you see the notification, tap the check button on your watch to confirm. Since everything is okay, you will see the result marked as normal. Given to the function, this method is a super handy way to confirm whether your Galaxy Watch 6 is set up properly for notification, especially after a reset or when switching phones. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily make sure you are not missing any alert from your favorite apps or contacts. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.